This is the bracket for the Lathe DRO, and it had a slight bend in it. It just got knocked very slightly and got a slight bend in it. Well, went to straighten it in the vise thinking it was steel. No hope in hell. It's just, I think it's just die cast. You can't get a good focus there, but they've chromed it and everything, made it look nice, but it's just nothing but rubbish. Sort of see it there. Yeah, I'll see this one a bit better. There we go. What a piece of junk. Chinesium quality, mate. Chinesium quality. Terrific stuff. The broken end showed the large crystals of die cast, and it has no strength at all, just none whatsoever. Butter. You can definitely see it's some sort of zinc pot metal type thing. Anyway, whoops. Focus. Come up alright? It'll be alright. Oh, well, a lot shorter than it was, but it'll be perfect. Hang on, put my washer on there. It's funny, when I took it off from when they made it, the washer was sitting on top of the nut doing nothing. So I'm trying to align this one-handed. There we go. Perfecto. Okay, all worked well. See the little nut under there, little bolt I should say, worked fine. Originally it was mounted right in the middle here of the tray, and you know, that stops you using anything, tray for anything. And the light, which I've now put up here and converted to a much more powerful light, was originally bolted, excuse the mess because I'm in the middle of doing things, right back here on the carriage. Well, that got in the way of everything every time you wanted to do something, and now at least I can use the light wherever I want when I tighten it up, and it'll be fine. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little bit. Nothing special, but anyway.